Fruity Coolers. Guard number 25, J.O. Kibon. Also guard number 9, G-Boy Kagintangan. At 4, number 3, Alejandro Sanz. Also 4, number 18, Juan Bautista. Playing center, number 24, Bidwan Chatare. Head coach, Egay Bidyones. Assisted by Louie Lansok. Team manager, Mark Palima. Team owner, Juan Boneo. Sir L.A. Ulep. Our games officials for today's match, Chief Justin Santos, Renato Flores, and Brian Soriano. Junior MPBL Executive Director, Mr. J.R. Navarro. Junior MPBL Commissioner, Mr. Kate Picasso.
For the Doray team starters in the 16 and under division, sa Batangas muna, Taduran, Sotalbo, Talamona, Nocom, and Manuyag. Sa kabilang panig naman sa Las Piñas, Giban, Kagindagan, Bautista, Stans, and Shadare. Once again, good afternoon. Game 6. Sixth and final game of this Saturday. 16 and under division sa pagitan ng Las Piñas Fruity Coolers and Batangas Tribu X Boss I. Starting it off, Las Piñas with the ball possession. Once again, 16 and under. A little bit of scramble there. Ano mananatili kay Bautista ang bola. Fortunately, there was an early foul. Just a few seconds after the tip-off. Well, Diego, no, as I can see here, itong Las Piñas from 14, 18, and 16 under division, meron silang win. Galing sila lahat sa pagkapanalo. Samantalang itong Batangas naman, lahat sila yung mula sa bunso hanggang sa mga kuya, galing sila lahat sa talo. And so far, itong Las Piñas ang nagbag ng 2 wins para sa 14 and 18 under. Let's see about the 16 under division. Yeah,
malalaman natin in a while kung sino magwawagi in our closing game dito sa SM South Mall Events Hall sa Las Piñas City. Pero nga ng traffic violation called against Batangas on that last possession. So, nagkaroon tayo ng konting delay dahil mayroong tulo sa ating bubong ngayong hapon na ito. But play resumes ngayong hapon to close out the action here from Las Piñas City.
Si Bautista na naman.
Looks like Las Piñas nag-iinit dito sa loob ng events hall sa SM South Mall.
Well, all 4 points galing kay Bautista.
At parang lalo pang tumindig ang tambol dito sa loob ng venue.
Well, sa Talbo, may sagot naman para sa Batangas. Pero ngayon, Las Piñas ulit ang bola. 4 and 2, lamang ng dalawa ang Las Piñas. Push up for 3. Medyo malakas itong kay Sanz. Now, Batangas naman. Nocom. Tumanuyag. Back to Nocom. A bit too strong. Naagaw ni Giban. Now, Sanz on the attack. Difficult shot. Misses. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Kicks it out. A bit short on that 3. Batangas naman.
So empty possession from both ends of the floor. Let's see if Batangas could change the complexion that time around. And just like yung last battle natin sa 18 and under, parang nagkakapaan pa ang parehong koponan. As you see that game-tying basket courtesy of Charles Manuyag.
Tabla indeed itong Batangas and Las Piñas for all. Looking to break that tie. Bautista. All 6 points coming from Bautista.
So that's very interesting na all 6 points from him, tapos including 2 rebounds at this point.
Very active early in this ball game itong si Bautista ng Las Piñas. this once more.
Oh, the great drive to the basket para kay Joffa Giban. Pero ito si check that si Yuan Bautista. Siya naman ang nakakuha ng offensive rebound for the score.
6 and 4. Lamang pa rin ng dalawa ang Las Piñas. Now, Hagindagan for Las Piñas. Making it worth their while. Attacking the defense. Almost losing that ball.
Oh,
That was a foul call. Then a couple of guys on the floor.
nako, ang daming nagbabagsakan dito sa court natin, dito sa SM South Mall.
Oo. Si
Ganun ka-
Hagindagan.
Ganun ka-intense ang ating labanan so far.
Hagindagan on the free throw line. Makes the first one.
So far, very impressive for both squads. They're parang hindi sila hindi na pinapakawalan ng isa't isa so far. Pero itong Las Piñas, dinoble na yung kanilang lamang.
Oo.
And turnover pa ng Batangas.
Well, parang ganto rin yung nangyari kanina dun sa first two na itong second set of games natin, ano? Pero let's see if Batangas can change it up. Can bag a win for the 16 and under. Now, Shadare pulls up. Jumper too strong. Well, Batangas naman looking to score. Manuyag loses that ball. Turns it over to Las Piñas.
Oh, that was a bad pass right there. Picked off by Muhammad Salamonia.
Siya rin ang tumapos.
Oo.
Great layup there by Salamona.
Oo.
Well, that missed attempt. Shadare looking to score. Wala pa din. Batangas ulit. Gustong tumabla.
Munti ka na.
Medyo
Dikadura.
napalakas.
Ito, umiinit na yung action natin. Yung pisikalan.
Oo.
Nararamdaman mo na.
Little over 5 minutes have passed in the first quarter. 8-6.
Oo.
2-point lead ang Las Piñas.
Pero ulit, kakaiba ang ating labanan dito sa ating 16 and under division.
Look at
Wow!
that finish by Bautista. 8 out of 10 points, I believe, comes from him.
Wow! Oo.
Oh, look at that fake. And the strong finish by Linga.
Oo,
Dylan Linga. Now Las Piñas. Oh, turns it over to Batangas. Batangas setting up a play. Looking to tie things up. Or take the lead. Pulls up long two. Wala. Bautista with a rebound to Hagindagan.
Not exactly the best shot selection para sa Batangas on that possession. And what a find underneath for Ridwan Shadare. And another steal here for Las Piñas. So far, mukhang maganda yata ang gising nitong 16 and under team.
Oo, pareho. Although lamang ng apat ang Las Piñas, pero both were very active in offense and defense. Well, Batangas will call for a timeout and to switch things up. We will be right back.
Las Piñas.
And Allen was capitalizing in those putbacks.
Oh.
Now Las Piñas looking to increase their lead. Unfortunately, napunta sa Batangas ang bola. Kaparas.
Oh.
On the rush. Gives it to Nocom.
5 minutes to go. Not a time para magmadali itong Batangas. Nga, 2 consecutive tries and they could have reset that one. They had 14 seconds on their shot clock.
could have kicked it out.
Exactly. Hindi na kailangan hindi na kailangan magpanic, hindi na kailangan na umalma this early.
Actually, parang nagmama-show yung frustration nila dahil doon sa consecutive failed attempts.
That was one of the best possible shots they could have taken in that possession. So sayang lang, offline ang tira doon.
Oo, Antonio Caparas. Now, look at that shot by Bautista. Giving Las Piñas the double-digit lead, 15 points. But Nocom answers back with his very own finish.
Yeah, unfortunately for Steven Nocom, they could not,
The last game, and Las Piñas is leading up by 11. Now time is running out for Batangas. Las Piñas will capitalize on this and will try to delay. Bautista with that drive and finish. Still relentless.
well, at this point, syempre, itong Las Piñas wants to finish strong. Sure, they got to send a message rin na, okay, we are a team. We are a team to be reckoned with.
And holding on to that spot. Twice to beat.
Exactly, yun na nga, yun ang importante. Importante as well, they need to find a way to protect yung kanilang twice to beat advantage. Series of games dito sa loob ng SM South Mall Events Hall.
Well, Caparas